Okay, we're back, shifted things around a little bit. So these are not my typical videos, but just to show a couple things that are going on. And let's see, I'm going to turn this on. We're going to get some ventilation. I'm going to hold that just in case when the pipe pulls. There we go. Got some good current going. All right. So now what I'm doing, I always like to say I'm making the holes rounder. Smoothing out the inside of the Forstner bit hole. That's still a little rough. I may go in with some hand sanding. Oops. That's better. Feel how that feels first. Let's see. I'm trying not to pull too hard as to generate heat. Hopefully the noise isn't too bad. So what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to try and profile the edge just a little bit more. I've got the speed at about 940. Increase it just a little bit. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Got it at 1,000 RPM. Now I'm going to tilt this a little bit. And hopefully profile from the inside a little bit more. Can I skip a lot of these steps? Absolutely. But I want to do this right. Now what I'm trying to do is make heirloom quality. Toys. Now, if we didn't have a falling out, I made a toy train, circus train, back in my high school years and gave it to this girl so she could give to her son. And I had a crush on her, but I'm glad we never got together. But I know she had it, I think when he went into the Navy. So I don't know if she still has it now. But I'd like to get a picture of that. I should write her on Facebook. I mean, we have messaged. And the funny thing is, the falling out we had was because of a quote that I put on my Facebook years ago. And it was from, wait, I don't think I did, yeah, I didn't send this one yet. It was from General Mattis, which was the be professional, be polite, but have a plan to kill everyone that you meet. And she took offense to that. And also she was sending out these vegan emails. And she didn't blind carbon copy people. So I took offense to it. So I did a reply all. And let's just say that my reply alls were not so nice. I was young and foolish. I still am, just older and foolish. Yeah, that was pretty funny. She got upset that I was sending it to everybody. I said, hey, you carbon copied everybody. I just replied. I thought I was replying to you, but it was replying all. I knew what I was doing. You know, people need to learn how to use a blind carbon copy, number one, because if you just CC everybody, you can expect to get into trouble sometime. So you always got to be aware of those emails. I've been involved with computers, technology since the late 1970s, actually mid-70s. And I was on the internet before there was an internet. So I'm very tech savvy. I've been on the bleeding edge for the past, 45, 47 years. I've lost track. So I should send her a picture of something that I've done and say, hey, do you still have that train? If so, can you send a picture of it if it's not in storage somewhere? Because I would assume if she still has it, it's in storage. But I very much doubt she still has it. But yeah, I've done some pretty funny things. At least to me, they're funny. I take no prisoners. You know, I've been working with the military, contracting since 2006. So, you know, you're talking 17 years. And now where I'm at now, working with NATO and 31 nations, it's a very unique place to be. I'm just doing a little bit more on the inside. So technically it's coming from an opposite direction. go. Okay, so let's hold it up here. My lighting is off. I'll tilt this up, maybe get a little bit more lighting here. Yeah, so here it is, all profiled out, nice and smooth inside. Like I said, I think I may do a little hand sanding inside and kind of go from there. So that's the end of this video. Again, these are just some quick short videos that I'll post sometime just to show you what I'm doing on this particular project, just trying to document it. So with that, may the Lord richly bless you. Make it a great day right here in Poppy's Workshop.